Hello everyone, and welcome back to Clear Voice English. I'm James and I'm here with Paul. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, we're going to tackle something super important for everyday conversation, talking about the past. It sounds tricky, but we're going to make it easy and fun. That's right. So, how do we talk about yesterday, last week, or even this morning? We start with two simple but powerful words. Was and were. These are the past tense forms of am, is, and are. For example, right now, I am in the studio. But yesterday, I was at home. Exactly. And right now, we are recording. But last weekend, we were at the park. See? Was is for one person like I, he, or she, and were is for you, we, and they. It's all about describing where you were or how you felt in the past. Now, let's talk about actions. For most verbs in English, making them past tense is easy. You just add "ded" to the end. For instance, I walk my dog every day. Yesterday, I walked my dog. Talk on the phone. Last night, I talked to my friend. I cooked dinner. On Monday, I cooked pasta. Simple, right? You just add that ed sound. But, and this is where it gets interesting, English has some rebels. We call them irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow the ed rule. They change completely. They definitely keep us on our toes. For example, you don't say, I go to the store. You say, I went to the store. You don't say, I eated a sandwich. You say, I ate a sandwich. Other common ones are see becomes saw, have becomes had, and drink becomes drank. There's no rule, so you just have to learn them. But don't worry, we use them so often that they become natural with a little practice. Let me tell you a quick story about my weekend to show you how it works. On Saturday, I woke up and felt energetic. I decided to clean my apartment. I played some music and dusted all the furniture. Later, my friend called me and we went to a cafe. We had coffee and talked for hours. It was a great day. See how Paul mixed them? He used regular verbs like decided, played, dusted, and called. And he also used irregular verbs like woke, felt, went, and had. That's exactly how we talk in real life. Here's another little tricky one for you, the verb read. The spelling stays the same, re-a-d, but the pronunciation changes. Today I read a book. Yesterday I read a book. It sounds like the color red. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in sounding natural. The most important thing to remember is that it's okay to make mistakes. Seriously. When you're learning, you might say eated or goed, and that's perfectly fine. The more you speak and listen, the more you'll get the hang of it. Don't be afraid to try. Practice is everything. So let's do a quick review. For past states, use was and were. For most action verbs, add ed. And for those tricky irregular verbs like go, eat, and see, remember their unique past forms. Went, ate, and saw. Now it's your turn to practice. We want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us, what did you do last weekend? Try to use a mix of regular and irregular verbs. We'd love to read your stories. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope this lesson helped you feel more confident about talking about the past. It was great having you here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more lessons. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.